Hi, hello, and welcome. Today we are going to see how to identify the trend using simple moving averages. Okay, so this is I just open BTC USDT perpetual chart from Binance Futures. If you have account in the Binance Futures, then that is well and good. If you don't have an account in Binance, then I will provide the link in the description. Just go through it and open the account. Okay, so let's moving on to the next part. To enable the moving averages, I just go to the technical indicators, just click on it, then I just type moving averages. I'm going to use two moving averages, so that's why I'm choosing moving average double. Okay, then this will get pop up. It is showing on the chart. It is very faint in color, so I will just go to the settings. In styles, I just make it slightly darker. Try to make it slightly darker to this as well, then click on OK. To change the inputs, again settings, input, I basically use first period for the 50 moving average and second period it's 200 moving average. These are considerably very suitable moving averages to identify the trend. Okay, just click on OK. So these two moving averages will get displayed, that is this yellow color trend line indicates the 50 moving average and the blue line indicates the 200 moving simple moving average. So how to identify the trend? So basically there are very simple rule. Identify when the 50 moving average crosses the 200 moving average line. So the here line is crossing from down to up, so this is basically called as a golden cross. From this point generally it is said to be that it will go in the upward direction. So I will just mark a point over here, I mean, and write over here as a golden cross. So generally it is said that from the golden cross is from this point the market will generally move in the upward direction. And you can see from the golden cross, you can see the market is generally moving in the upward direction. I am using 1 hour chart, so basically I use 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart to get a better ideas. Okay, so moving on to next part, this is generally referred as a upward trend as it is going in upward direction. So I just write it down over here as uptrend. Text. Okay, the uptrend. Okay, fair enough. So moving on to the next part, how to identify the downtrend. So basically it is considered to be as when the 50 simple moving average line crosses the 200 moving line in the downward direction. So this point you can see it is crossing and moving in the downward direction. So this point is generally called as this point as the death cross. Death cross. From this point onwards it will considerably move downward direction. So this is called from the death cross, it is considerably move in the downward direction. So as you can see from the death cross, it is moving up very much in the downward direction. So you can see over here it has come and again went down. So basically it went down and down, so it is called as downtrend. So I just write over here as a downtrend. downtrend. Okay, so in this way you can just identify the uptrend and the downtrend using these simple moving averages, that is 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. You can use very much various type to identify the trend. Just this is just a basic example how to identify the trend using just two simple moving averages. So that's it from this video. Till then, keep learning and do safe trading. Thank you.